Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and yesterday I got my wheels muddy. Any one of you that has used a dual wheel kit in those situations know how the mud gets packed in between the duals. Before now, I'd usually have to bear hug the wheel or use a ratchet strap to try to spin it off. Not anymore. Not with the new dual wheel tool. I'll show you how easy it is to use this thing to break these muddy wheels loose. If you have a dual wheel kit, this little tool makes removing them a breeze. You don't have one, get one. This thing has earned a well-deserved permanent place in my toolbox.